Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and hope you all are doing good. Welcome to the second episode of travel series 2. मैं अभी भी नाम सोच रहा हूँ. I'm taking inputs from you guys and even I'm thinking. And one more thing which I forgot to tell y'all in the first episode. If y'all haven't watched the first episode yet, I'll put it up here in the I button. So yeah, what I forgot to mention was what is the situation at the border crossing. Well, we came through Cholla Ghat and border crossing पे हमारा सिर्फ बैग्स चेक किया था फॉर अल्कोहल बॉटल्स विच वी डेंट हैव एंड सेकेंड गेट पे हमें चेक किया था फॉर vaccination certificate. They just asked us if we have both the vaccination certificates and we showed them and we were good to go. तो अभी टाइम हो चुका है 8:30 आई थिंक. हाँ, 8:45 एंड आई शो यू समथिंग. ये मेरा फर्स्ट एपिसोड है जो मैंने रात को रेंडरिंग के लिए रखा था. इट स्टिल शोज 1 hour 53 minutes and 10 seconds to get rendered. Rendering on this laptop is pretty slow. I had uttappa and coffee for breakfast with kurma bhaji. तो अभी literally breakfast भी हो चुका है, but still this video is rendering and it shows 1 hour 8 minutes. The time is almost 9:30 and we are packed and ready to leave. So we have decided to go towards Hampi today, which is around, if I'm not mistaken, 146 kilometers or so from here. We are all set and ready to leave. So as you can see, the video is still rendering. Let's see when it finishes rendering and I can keep it for uploading. ये actually first day का video है जो I think most of you all already देख चुके हैं. अगर नहीं देखा है तो चैनल पे जाके ज़रूर देखना. So a little correction, Belgaum to Hampi is around 260 kilometers. Now we have crossed Dharwad and we are on our way to Hampi. The roads to Hampi from Belgavi City is very easy, but at the same time they are a mixture of different terrains and different sceneries. कभी ओपन हाईवेज तो कभी गांव के छोटे से रास्तों पे, तो कभी खराब रास्तों में से या कभी खेतों के बीच में से.
अभी हम पहुंच रहे हैं गदग जो है 15 किलोमीटर्स दूर. अभी हमको मोर 120 किलोमीटर्स है टू रीच हम्पी. बट जस्ट बिफोर दैट चेक दिस व्यू आउट ऑफ द सनफ्लावर्स.
तो फाइनली वीडियो हो चुका है रेंडर्ड और अपलोड भी हो चुका है. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, it's almost 1 and it took about 12 hours for one video to get rendered and uploaded.
तो अभी हम है अराउंड 60 किलोमीटर्स दूर हम्पी से. एंड वी हैव जस्ट टेकन अ स्मॉल ब्रेक फॉर वाटर एंड स्नैक्स. तो या एंड ऑल्सो वी आर स्विचिंग ड्राइवर्स नाउ, सो आई विल ड्राइव.
Over here we found this very strange practice of drying corn here in the middle of the road, and in some places quite literally blocking the road completely to dry corn.
In total, there were 7 toll plazas, out of which the first 3 were working properly. The middle 3 were not open yet, and the last one, which was the last toll plaza before we entered Hosapete, was working, and we had to pay around 45 rupees.
And right now we are entering Hosapete. We actually took this diversion to have lunch here as it was already 2 p.m. Hosapete City is quite huge than we thought it would be, and there are multiple options here, especially for your taste buds. Right from pure vegetarian restaurants to multi-cuisine hotels to bars and even Domino's.
तो राइट नाउ वी आर एट प्रियदर्शनी होटल एंड अभी हम जा रहे हैं सिर्फ लंच करने के लिए. गाड़ी इधर पार्क्ड है, सो देखेंगे. एंड फॉर लंच आई हैड साउथ इंडियन थाली एंड मसाला पापड़ विथ बटर मिल्क. आई मीन यू कैन नेवर गो रॉन्ग in South India ordering a South Indian thali. Also the food here, especially the South Indian thali, it was very tasty. So after having lunch in Hosapete at Priyadarshini Hotel, we decided to check out their rooms, and we were fine enough with their rooms and the rates, so we decided to stay here for the night.
So this is the entrance, that's the bathroom area. And these are the beds. That's the cupboard over there. And hi there.
and we have a little sitting area over here and also this small little balcony. ओके तो मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्ट में कहा था कि वी आर लीविंग फॉर हम्पी टुडे, but we decided to stay at Hosapete because we kind of like the city, and Hampi is just 12 to 15 kilometers from here. And after coming here, wait, I'll show you. And after reaching here, I just set my table for editing the next video, that is the second day video, which is, you're probably seeing this right now. So yeah, after coming here, I just started doing this, and I also completed with some little work which I had. और काम करते करते हो गई शाम. So next thing on my mind was dinner. Dinner was quite simple with buttermilk, some green salad and some paneer bhaji with chapati. So after dinner we took a small stroll in the hotel's garden area and went back to sleep for tomorrow's big day. And hoping to see you all in the third episode of this travel series, where we will go to Hampi to check out all the historical and archaeological heritage sites over there. So yeah, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and peace.